If you're searching for a durable, versatile, and healthy cookware option for your kitchen, this Joyfair 1810 stainless steel saucepan with glass lid is the perfect choice. Crafted with precision and designed for home and professional use, this saucepan is a true gem. Its compact 1-quart size makes it an excellent choice for small families, singles, or anyone who enjoys cooking smaller portions. Whether you're melting butter, making sauces, or preparing soups, this saucepan delivers efficiency and style. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for your kitchen. Plus, we'll show you how it stacks up against other products in the market. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Top features and benefits. Number 1. High-quality 1810 stainless steel construction. The Joyfair saucepan is made from 1810 stainless steel, which is renowned for its durability and resistance to rust. Unlike non-stick pans that may leach chemicals, this stainless steel option ensures food safety and longevity. You can cook worry-free, knowing your meals remain chemical-free and healthy. Durability. With a solid metal core, the saucepan resists deformation and wear over time. Non-toxic design. Free from harmful coatings, it's safe for use at high temperatures. Number 2. Superior heat transfer for efficient cooking. Thanks to its solid stainless steel build, this saucepan heats quickly and evenly. It reduces cooking time, saving energy and effort, while preventing hot spots that can burn your food. Number 3. Ergonomic and heat-proof handle. The Bakelite-wrapped handle is heat-resistant and ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Securely riveted to the pot, it offers stability and safety, even during high-heat cooking. Number 4. Tempered glass lid with steam vents. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting it, preserving flavors and nutrients. The steam vents prevent boilovers and make it safer to handle hot dishes. Number 5. Compact and versatile design. With a 1-quart capacity, this saucepan is ideal for small portions. It's perfect for warming milk, melting butter or chocolate, boiling eggs, or cooking spaghetti and sauces. The brushed exterior adds a stylish touch, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Why choose the Joyfair saucepan over competitors? 1. Durability. Unlike non-stick or aluminum pots, stainless steel lasts longer and resists scratches. 2. Food safety. No chemical coatings mean healthier meals. 3. Design. The combination of functionality and aesthetics makes it stand out. 4. Ease of use. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It's perfect for busy lifestyles. Who is this saucepan for? Health-conscious home cooks. The 1810 stainless steel ensures non-toxic cooking. Small households. Ideal for 1 to 2 person meals. Gifting. Its premium design makes it a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, and holidays. Common use cases. 1. Warming milk. Heat your milk without worrying about scorching. 2. Making sauces. Perfect for creamy sauces or reductions. 3. Boiling eggs. Achieve perfectly boiled eggs with ease. 4. Melting butter or chocolate. Ideal for baking or dipping. Care and maintenance tips. Avoid using sharp utensils to prevent scratches. For stubborn stains, soak the pot in warm soapy water before scrubbing. Always ensure the pot is dry before storing to prevent water spots. Customer reviews and testimonials. Many users rave about the Joyfair stainless steel saucepan for its durability, compact size, and non-toxic properties. It's a favorite among home cooks for its ease of use and versatility. Pros and cons. Pros: high quality 1810 stainless steel. Non-toxic and safe for high heat cooking. Tempered glass lid with steam vents. Ergonomic and heat-proof handle. Cons: not suitable for induction stoves. Smaller size may not be ideal for larger families. Final verdict: this Joyfair 1810 stainless steel saucepan is a must-have for anyone looking for a high-quality, compact, and versatile cookware option. Its stainless steel construction, non-toxic design, and practical features make it stand out in the crowded cookware market. If you value healthy cooking, efficient performance, and stylish design, this saucepan is worth the investment. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this saucepan will elevate your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.